Hey everyone, today I'm sharing my top money-saving tips that you need to know. If you're looking to keep more cash in your pocket, listen up. First tip, buy essentials in bulk. It's cheaper in the long run and saves you from frequent shopping trips. Make sure you use coupons when shopping. Those little pieces of paper can add up to big savings over time. Cook meals at home. It's healthier and way lighter on your wallet compared to dining out. And while you're at it, cancel those unused subscriptions. They're silently draining your bank account every month. Opt for generic brands. They're often just as good as the name brands, but at a fraction of the price. Buying secondhand items can also be a game changer. From clothes to furniture, you can find great deals. Walk, ride a bike, or use public transport. It's cost-effective, and you get a bit of exercise in too. Don't forget to unplug electronics when not in use. It's a small habit that can lower your energy bills. Create and follow a budget. Knowing where your money is going helps you control it better. Negotiate your bills for better rates. You'd be surprised how often companies are willing to reduce costs to keep you as a customer. Sell unused items around the house. Turn that clutter into cash. Pay off any debt as soon as possible. Interest rates can be a killer if left unchecked. Take advantage of sales. Plan your purchases around discount seasons. Use cashback apps to get a bit of money back on your purchases. And finally, cut back on impulse purchases. Give yourself some time to think before buying. That's it for today. Implement these tips and watch your savings grow. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more money-saving advice.